Hi, in this session I'm going to show you how to create and share an online document in OneDrive. So first of all, you need to log into OneDrive and then make sure that this OneDrive is ticked, or that you've got a little arrow on OneDrive. Then navigate to the folder that you want the document to be in. So if you don't have one, you can create a folder, and there's a how-to for that back in the OneNote as well. So this time we're just going to go to the document. So we're going to click into the folder. This is an empty folder, there's nothing here. We're going to click on New, and then I have the choice of a Word document, which is just like your Office Word, Excel, and in our Word document, we can do word processing, we can take notes, we can have students writing essays and writing extended responses together, we can have them doing collaborative spelling lists, we can have them doing collaborative summaries for work that they've been studying, or assignments, or anything really. Or you can use it yourself for faculty work, for writing plans up, for keeping tabs on students. It could be a communication document between parents and school to keep up with students. So, you know, there really are a number of ways you can use this document, because once you've created it, you can share it through the internet so that anyone can access that, or specific people can access it. So there's a number of permissions that can be done. You can create a shared Excel workbook. So creating a shared Excel workbook you can use for that data collection, for graph creation, or that sort of stuff that you may have done on standalone Excel. You can create an online PowerPoint presentation, so a group of students can be working on the PowerPoint at the same time. Ditto for teachers, you can be working on the PowerPoint together at the same time as well. You can create a shared OneNote and a shared OneNote notebook. You can, a group of students could use it for a project. You could use it within your faculty to keep tabs on a specific year group. You could use it for students to be able to create their own OneNotes for your subject area, share it back with you, so you can, anytime you like, jump into that OneNote and see how your students are going. Or you can also create an Excel survey. As mentioned before, you can create a new folder, but that's not what we're doing here. So just say we want to create a new Word document. We're going to click on Word document, and then it's going to appear for us any second now. Once it has appeared, you're going to be asked to name that document. So I think we might name this one something Holes Notes from Reading. Whoops, just pop that little M in there. And now all I need to do is hit OK, and you'll see that your browser will refresh itself, and very shortly the file will appear in the list, and it will also open for you that actual Word online document. The reason I love Word Online is because it looks exactly like Office on our desktop. We're used to using it on the desktop. We know what it looks like on the desktop. Well, it's very, very similar online. It's just missing a few features. So we can see here, this is Notes from Holes. I'll just call it that. We need to give it a little bit of a heading, so I can pop here. Click on the styles. Let's give it the proper title. I want that to be in the center. Then we can head down here. Now I want to, you can see we can work through our fonts here. We have different colors, so you can work with that color of text. You can do your normal formatting that you're used to doing. You can copy and paste in here as well, of course. Put your page breaks. You can add a table into the document. Here we go. We can insert images, we can insert clip art, we can insert a link, we can put headers and footers in. All those things we're used to doing in Office, we can now do in the browser. I think this is a real benefit for people. So this is currently now sitting in the browser. I don't need to save it. I can just close that and it will save for me. So that's how you create a document. There are two ways to share it. I'm going to show you both ways right now. So the first way we use to share the document is actually from our folder, our OneDrive folder, and see this little padlock here. If I click on this, I can then choose to invite people, and when I invite people, I can just type the names. If there's someone within DEC or within my school, probably within my school, you can see here these are all the people that have been working on the trial, the students as well. So I want this to go to Mark O'Shea, and I want him to be able to edit this document. If I just wanted him to view it and write comments, I can choose Can View, but I want him to edit, and then I'm going to say, "Hi Mark, this is our document for writing notes during class for the wholes unit of work. Yours, Pip." So I can actually request that he sign in to do that, which is really cool for safety, so keep that one ticked. If I hit share now, Mark will be sent an email to let him know that that document has been shared with him. So that's all there is to creating to sharing from this folder. The other way I can share is from inside the Office document itself. So I've opened the Office document itself. Oh yeah, I might just say at this point that it's really cool to use Internet Explorer, just because that's the native document, that's a native sort of browser for this document. When you come back into a document for the second time, see here how we've got to edit document. You can edit in Word or edit in Word Online. Let's just edit in Word Online for now. Did I click that button? There we go. So we're going to edit that in Word Online. Yes, we are. That's just coming any second. Thank you. And you'll see that my little sort of working area, that the ribbon is now back. So I'm going to share this from in here. So I don't want to go back out to that main area. I want to share here. I can click up in this top area on share. It's then going to open for me. And it's back to that same page we knew before. So once again, I'm going to share it this time with Mark Tigwell. There it is there. Hi Mark. These are our class notes for wholes that we took while you were at the state swimming championships. Yours, Pip and Mark. Yes, Mark O'Shea. Oops, spelled wrong. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and then we hit share. Oh, do we want him to edit or just view it? Yeah, we want him to edit. So we hit share, and that's going to go through now, and Mark will get an email to say that he has access to that document. While he's away on his swimming championship, he can keep up with the notes that we've been taking. So that's all that is involved in creating a document and also sharing from this OneDrive folder through the little padlock, or by opening the document and sharing from inside the document itself.